when there is a teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved. I feel great to welcome you to the inaugural function of IT Club of the year 2021-22. I, Roshna Sojan, Standard 10B, honored to welcome our Principal, Sister Floweret, our Chief Guest, Dr. Father Anil George K, eminent resource person Jasmine Saju, beloved teachers, and my dear friends. God is the only one who cares us, protects us, and guides us. Today is the auspicious day. Let us seek the blessing of Almighty.
You came, helpless me. In their world, your glory live, not to be served, but to serve. You give your life that we might live. This is our God, lesser and King. He calls us now to follow Him, to bring our life as a daily offering of worship to the servant King.
It is the time to inaugurate the IT Club of our school. On this glorious day, here we have our chief guest, Dr. Father Anil George K, who is the Internal Quality Assurance Cell IQAC coordinator of St. Thomas Autonomous College, Thrissur. He is also a faculty member of Department of Computer Science. Now I invite Father to inaugurate the IT Club.
Respected Principal of Holy Child Secondary School, dear teachers, and my most beloved children. First of all, my warm greetings to you all. I'm very happy that the IT Club and the initiatives and the activities of IT Club this year are being inaugurated this day. I wish all the best and success for all the initiatives and activities of IT Club during this academic year. Computer science and information technology are the branches that affect every human life drastically. There is no other branch of science that have affected every walk of life so much. If you think of the computer science or information technology, there are several emerging techniques, technologies, and trends that are coming. By the time you complete your school days, by the time you reach college, these techniques or technologies must have changed in one way or the other. But there are some techniques or technologies that are very important when it comes to information technology or computer science. Say, for example, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is something very interesting. We all have our own intelligence, human intelligence. And we can imagine, we can analyze, we can reflect, and based on that we can make inferences, we can make decisions. Similarly, how artificial intelligence is made possible within the machines that are computer science. The machines are made or enabled the capability to make decisions just like we human beings do. And this is very interesting, very important. Today, every walk of life is being affected by this emerging technology called artificial intelligence. And there are also some other important techniques like, cyber security or cryptography, which is again very important when it comes to security of the data that is being used. Today we hear about lots of, vulnerabilities or kind of, security threats, the security breaches that is happening with our computers, even with online classes that we have. And some other technology that is coming is data science. So what I want to tell you is that computer science and information technology, these are the areas that you have to invest. You have to spend your time, not only on social media, you have to invest time on specific techniques that are emerging that will define the future of our country, the future of our universe. So therefore, your initiatives should definitely make you capable, make you enabled to browse, to seek, to find the uncharted waters of information technology. I hope and I wish that the IT Club initiatives will definitely help for that. And I, with the consent of all of you, declare the activities and the initiatives of IT Club of this year inaugurated. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for your inspirational words. Now I invite Jaswin Saju, Technical Assistant of St. Thomas Autonomous College, Thrissur, our resource person, to talk a few words on Python software.
Everyone, I am Jaswin Saju here to give a few information about Python. If you ask me, can we learn Python? I will definitely give you a yes, because it is one of the easiest language to learn. If you're from technical background or non-technical background, whether you know coding or not, you can study Python with no time. Python is the best language to get started off it. It is easy syntax and high level features make it one of the best languages for anybody to get started off it programming. Maybe kids or veterans, it's language for everybody. The next reason is that Python is an open source language, meaning that it is free for anybody to use. Every day there are thousands of programmers who came together online making Python better and efficient. Python can be used to make almost anything: graphical user interface applications, GUI applications, mobile applications, server side coding, machine learning, artificial intelligence algorithms. Anything that want to make Python will always have the way to do it. So let's go with some slides. As I mentioned, Python is a programming language, of course, but it is also interpreted, object-oriented, and high-level language. Why Python is so famous? We have C, C++, Java, JavaScript, and still Python is famous. Some people say that Python is a new language, and not exactly. Java came into picture in 1995 and Python came in 1989. So it's way before Java, right? So what is Python? Python is the fastest growing language in what terms? In terms of number of developers who are using it, in terms of the number of libraries we have, in terms of the areas you can implement it. You talk about machine learning, you talk about graphical user interface, software development, web development. You can use it everywhere, and that's why it is also called as general purpose language. Now we focus on the name Python. In fact, when we talk about C, C++, and Java, this name perhaps some stories, right? What about Python? Is just because of this language looks like snake? Not exactly. The author of Python is a big fan of British comedy movie called as Monty Python's Flying Circus, and that's why he gave name called as Python. Initially, everyone liked it. He went for the same name. Where is Python used in the industry? You might be thinking which company uses Python. Now it just leaves those small companies who use Python. We have Google, we have YouTube, we have NASA, Dropbox. So we can see have all these companies who are using Python as a main language. Career opportunities in Python. Web app development is an option that you can choose frameworks such as Django and Flask that can be used to create web applications. Game development is also a career option that is available in Python. A Python game developer builds games which can be played in on a variety of platforms such as computers and mobile. Another one is big data analysis is a booming field which can be used to obtain data helpful to make decisions and help take risk for better profits. And the web app testing is also an option. The way you can report bugs and make sure that the website works as needed. Python is easy. It is much simpler than C, C++, Java. That's why most of the colleges and schools, they are teaching Python. There is a lot more learn Python, but due to the time limit, I'm just stopping here. I hope you all are enjoyed my class and gained some knowledge about Python. I sincerely thank the coordinator and the authorities for giving such an opportunity to talk about Python. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for an outstanding presentation. Now I invite Albert K. Viju, IT convener of our club, to talk a few words about new technology.
Hi, I am Sophia, a social humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics Technology. Information technology at schools provides students with easy to access information, accelerated learning, and fun opportunities to practice what they learn. It enables students to explore new subjects and deepen their understanding of difficult concepts. Through the use of technology inside and outside the classroom, students can gain 21st century technical skills necessary for future occupations. Here at Holy Child Convent English Medium Higher Secondary School Snehagiri, we would like to give opportunities to enhance your intelligence in the field of technology. My very existence is the advance of technology, right?
Yes, your very existence will surely help us. Thank you, Sophia. Thank you. Now, do you know what is artificial intelligence? In short, AI? Okay, now let's look what it is. AI, artificial intelligence. In simple terms, computers and other machines learning and doing what human intelligence does. It is a branch of computer science concerned with developing computer intelligence systems for solving complex problems by the application of process that are analogs to human reasoning process. The two most common AI programming languages are LISP and Prolog. Alan Turing generally is credited with the origin of concepts when he speculated in 1950 about thinking machine that could reason at the level of a human being. First of all, the categorization of artificial intelligence is into 4 types. The first one, reactive thinking. These machines can react to situations. A famous example can be Deep Blue, the IBM chess program. Most noteworthy, the chess program won against Garry Kasparov, the popular chess legend. The second one, limited memory. These artificial intelligence systems are capable of using past experiences to inform future ones. A good example can be self-driving cars. Such cars have decision-making system. Then the third one, theory of mind. So, this refers to understand others. Above all, this means to understand that others have beliefs, intentions, desires, and opinions. However, this type of artificial intelligence systems does not ever exist. Then the last one, self-awareness. This is the highest and most sophisticated level of artificial intelligence. Such systems have a sense of self. Furthermore, they have awareness, consciousness, and emotions. So, with this, I am concluding my words. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Albert. Now, I would like to conclude with the words of Bill Gates. The advance of technology is based on making it fit so that you don't really even notice it. So it's part of everyday life. Once again, thank you all.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.